So Barbara has the choice of two accounts, one paying 4.2% compounded quarterly, and the other pays 4.1% compounded continuously, and we want to know which one is better. Well, you should be familiar with this formula right here, P to the 1 plus R over N to the NT. Now, the P and the T are going to be the same because we're putting in the same principal and we're going to leave it in there the same number of years. So where the difference really is right here. This is what's going to help us calculate the effective yield. It's not quite the effective yield, it's the growth factor, but it's very easy to turn into an effective yield. So we're going to do this for each account. So let's start with the quarterly. So that one is going to look like 1 plus 0.042 over 4 to the fourth. Now what that'll do is that'll give us the growth factor. To get the annual yield, well, we subtract off 1, and that turns it into a decimal, gets rid of the 100%, and then we turn that into a percent, and we'll put that into the calculator. So this is for quarterly. It should be a Q, excuse me. And the other one is going to be continuously. This is the one where we use this formula, B equals PE to the RT. The growth factor in this one, again, P and T is the same in both. That's the growth factor. So for this one, we're going to do E to the 0.041. You don't add a 1 or anything like that. Subtract 1 and turn it into a percent. So let's compute each of these and see which one is better. So we'll just bring in our calculator here. And so we can do this all at once. So 1 plus 0.042 divided by 4 to the fourth minus 1 times 1. Oops, I typed that in wrong and I apologize. That should be 0.042. Got that backwards. Okay. And then we multiply that by 100 to turn it into a percent. And this is right about 4.266. Let's keep an extra decimal place because we don't know how close these two are going to be. This one will be a little bit easier. Hopefully I can do this without making a mistake. We are going to do E raised to the 0.041 minus 1 times 100. And there's our percent. 4.1852%. So here is our better deal. We've already got the formula for it. So if she has 1,000 that she's going to put in for T years, then the balance is going to be equal to the 1,000 times 1 plus 0.042 over 4 to the 4T is our formula. And finally, to calculate what her balance will be after 10 years, excuse me, let's just do it all at once. 1,000 times 1 plus, and I'll show you where you need to be a little careful on this, a mistake I see often, especially when you're putting it all in at once, which you don't have to, but this saves me a lot of time on rounding. Raised to, if I do 4 times 10 like this, I'm not going to get the correct answer. You either need to put that 4 times 10 in parentheses, or 4 times 10 is 40, so we could just put it in that way. And there's our balance after 10 years. We'll round to 2 decimal places because we're talking about money. She'll have $1,518.63.